So I got this in the mail. It's the UGreen Snap to attach powerful magnets for optimal viewing, 360 rotation, folding, and portable. Travel friendly magnetic desktop phone stand. And the back just has some stuff. In the back, I already took it apart. Took the thing out of the box. Let's see how it looks. And you can keep it down or lower it or bring it down. See, that's how it turns. This can get very entertaining. Right here. Also, it comes with this. So if you have a case that doesn't have MagSafe, what you could do is put this on any case. Let's say with this case maybe, or something similar. You could attach it or something, or attach it to the back, and it would work. Yeah, like that. So that's how it would have felt like. Let's put our phone in the stand. Put those things away. And okay. Oops, sorry guys. And you want to extend it like this. That's how it goes. Very strong. Very strong. I like this. Good rubber mounts here. Not going to move anywhere. Compared to something like this that has these, small ones that don't do anything. But this definitely come in handy when you're just doing stuff. So if you like this video, why don't you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.